Hi guys, Belinda here. Welcome back. I have just put down blue and pretty much covered the entire canvas. It says Fado blue and it's I think it's a 12 by 16 inch. Let me just check that. Yep. So that's a 12 by 16 inch canvas. And I'm going to start layering my cup. I want to have some negative space. Now I did a video earlier and I'm sure a lot of you have experienced this before. Well, people who do videos would have experienced it before. I forgot to switch my camera on, so I lost quite a bit of the footage before I realized what I had done or hadn't done. Okay, just give that a quick give that a quick torch before I carry on. So I'm going to start with lightest to darkest. Yeah, so like I said, I'm hoping for some negative space. Sorry guys, got my hand in the way. So I'm just layering the paint. And I'm hoping I'm going to have enough space in this cup. Well, if I don't, I'll have to make 2 cups. And some green. White. It's going to be 1 full cup. Yellow. And some orange. And red. And blue. I'm not going to add the green in. I don't think I could fit it in if I tried. If I have to do 2 cups, then I will. Alright, let's go. So I'm just wondering, do I go that way, that way? Maybe I'll just go this way. There's a lot of it burning off the table. That's a pretty cup. So let's give that a torch. What's wrong, Kitty? So I don't have any silicone in my cups. Ooh, I'm loving what's dripping off there actually. That's looking very pretty. I'm going to have to take off some here. Not too much, I want to keep some of that white. I'm going to go off with some here. Don't really like too much of that. I love that there. Let me just have a look. I love that there. This is real pretty. I do need to get some paint off, and I don't want to get those sides off. So, where to go? I might have to just dump some more of this off a little bit. I also don't want it to be too yellow. Yeah, making a decision. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to lose some more here. It's a lot of paint. So guys, it won't go to waste. I'll scrape it up and use it again. It's always good to have that for a base coat. And some of it I will use as a skin for skins. I have a lot of paint in the center. The only thing I can do right now is take some off this side. I want to keep those there though. just wish I could pick some of the paint up and just take it off. But no, you can't do that. Okay. I really love that. There's so much going on this plastic of mine. It's funny, I see cells, a couple little ones, some big ones. When in all honesty, there shouldn't really be any. Okay guys, I'm going to give this another torch and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. And sorry, the lawnmower guy must be here. Seems it used to happen to me quite some time ago, where the lawnmower man would come along and start his lawn mowing just when I was doing a video. He hasn't done it for a while. In fact, actually today is not even his day. So putting here some where I can see the canvas. So I love the vibrancy of this. I think those colors are amazing. That is why my cat was sitting here next to me. She must have known he was here, the lawnmower guy. She doesn't like him or his lawnmower. So this is it. I am really loving this. I love these parts over here. So these are the parts that I actually didn't want to lose. And over there, there's a whole heap of cells down here. And there, look at all those cells. Isn't that gorgeous? I really love this. Yeah, so I think that came out really nicely. There's some little cells peeping through here. So I'm just wondering, you know, sometimes the more it sits, the more actually pops out, because the paints, the different densities of the paint, you know, they sink or rise. Alright, so that's that. I'll show you from the other end, which I think I would hang it this way for sure. So I'm not too sure whether that looks like some sort of a flower. Could very well be. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me and watching it once again. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.